Hello, good day. Welcome to Simtech Properties. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us cost of building a house in Nigeria. As you all know, one of the best things that you can own in this country is owning a house because of the way it appreciates. Okay, before I continue, click on subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building a house, whether duplex, bungalow, just name them. You'll be getting it here free of charge. Also, we'll be posting prices of building materials, prices of door, and other things that you can think of. You'll be getting it here free of charge. Also, click on like to like this video so that other people can see this video. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I'll be sharing with us cost of building a house in Nigeria. I'll be using one of our duplex as a case study. As you all know, last 3 years, okay, if you want to build like bungalow in Nigeria, you can budget like 7 million, 8 million, 9 million, 6 million, and we give you a fantastic duplex with finishing. Yeah, but right now so many things have changed. Dollar rate has gone up and it affected the price of materials. Right now, if you want to build a house in Nigeria, let me say bungalow, you can be looking around there from 10 million above, 10 million, 12 million, 13 million, 15 million above, because of different prices of building material. Everything has gone up. Okay, like I said, one of our clients, he came to us. He said he wants to build a duplex that should be early this year or last year. Oh yes, that should be last year or early this year. No, last year. Okay, and he said his budget is about 40 million naira for this duplex, about a 7-bedroom duplex. And when we started this building, before we finished everything, and the man spent almost 60 to 65 million naira. That tells you that things have actually gone up. In this video, I'll be giving all the stages, step by step, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 to stage 6, from the foundation to the finishing level. Everything that you need to know about building a house in Nigeria. Let's move on.
Button and notification to get all our latest videos.
Good day everyone, my name is Simon Ozoma. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us cost of building duplex in Nigeria. I'll be giving all the details, the step by step, and everything that has to do with duplex. The estimate cost, the foundation, the decking, the finishing stage, roofing stage, and so many stages that you have to know. Okay, let's move on. Okay, in this video we have 4 different stages. The number 1 stage is the foundation stage. The number 2 stage is the DPC to lintel level. Number 3 stage is the first floor decking stage. Number 4 stage is the staircase stage. Number 5 stage is first floor lintel stage. Number 6 stage is the roofing stage. Then the last stage, which is the plastering and finishing stage. Okay, before you start building your duplex in Nigeria, you have to make sure that it has architectural drawing, structural drawing, mechanical drawing, and electrical drawing. With this drawing, it will give you the insight of what you want to achieve. It will help you to know the structure, how it will look like, the estimate cost, and everything. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the first one is estimate cost of setting out, which is the site clearance, material for setting out, the labors. You can see these are the prices here. These are the left hand side is the site clearance, material for setting out, the labor. The right hand side is for the prices. These are the prices here, and I have estimate of 127,872 naira. This cost is just an estimate. It depends on where you are building your duplex. If the place is where there is too bushy and that has to do, you have to clear it first. you have to pay laborer to clear the place and make the place neat before you start building. But if it's just normal level ground, just go ahead and start your building. Then the next one is the estimate cost of earthwork and support, which is the structuring the plank, blazing, the fixing of earthwork support, labors, and so on and so forth. You can see the estimate I have here, which is about 135,300. Okay, then the estimate cost of anti-termite treatment. This one I costed the price of 49,200. Okay, then the estimate cost of damp proof membrane. This one I cost it for 5,000 naira. All this is just an estimate. It can be more than this, and at the same time it can be lower than this. Then the estimate cost of concrete work blinding, which is okay, you can see I have 74 bags of cement, I have 28 tons of sand, I have 26 tons of granite, and then the labors, and the estimate cost of total amount here is 714,200. You can see each bag of cement is about 4,600 naira, depending on where you are buying it. If you are buying from Lagos, here it's 4,600. Outside Lagos, depending, it can be lower than this price. It can be 4,500, can be 4,200. If you are buying from the north, from the east, from the other place, it can be cheaper than this. You can see the other prices of other material. Okay, let's move to the next one. Estimate cost of foundation footing. Okay, in this one, by the left hand side you will see 122 bags of cement, 45 tons of sand, 42 tons of granite, labors for casting concrete, and you can see the prices here. The cement is 4,600 naira times 122 bags, about 561,000. You can see 45 tons of sand is about 3.5 per ton. Total amount is 157,000. Then you can see the total amount here have about 1,098,100 naira. That's the estimate cost of foundation footing. Okay, then the next one is estimate cost of column base. You can see the prices here. By the left hand side, bags, 96 bags of cement, 26 tons of sand, 24 tons of granite, 36 length of 12 mm, and so on and so forth. These are the prices here. I cost it at the price of 857,565 naira. Okay, the next one is estimate cost of column foundation. You can see the prices here, and 10 bags of cement, 3 tons of sand, 2 tons of granite, labors for casting concrete, and so on and so forth. These are the material by the left hand side. These are the prices here. This one I cost it for the total for 223,715 naira. Okay, then the next one is the estimate cost of laying foundation blocks. Okay, these are the estimate cost of the blocks and the sands and the other thing to buy, the granite, the concrete filling, labor for block, everything here. I total it at this price at the rate of total amount of 611,900. These are the prices here by the left hand side. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is the estimate cost of backfilling. Okay, you can see labor for backfilling and removal of surplus. You can see other things, laying of hard cores, and so on and so forth. And you can see the prices by the right hand side. This one, total amount of 355,250. Okay, then the next one is estimate cost of flooring. Okay, this flooring the total estimate cost is about 1,784,300 naira. These are the material to get here: 204 bags of cement, 54 tons of stone dust, 51 tons granite, labors for casting, and so on and so forth. These are the prices here. 1,784,300 naira. Okay, now the next one is the estimate cost of concrete column for all floors. You can see the materials to buy here: 80 bags of cement, 21 tons stone dust, 20 tons granite, and so on and so forth. These are the materials here. Then these are the prices here. I have about 1,675,885 naira. These are the prices by the left right hand side here. Okay. Then the next one is estimate cost of concrete beams for all floors. Okay, these are the prices here also. You can see 113 bags of cement, 30 tons stone dust, 28 tons granite, labor for casting, and so on and so forth. These are the materials by the left hand side, and then the right hand side is the prices here. To estimate cost of concrete beam for all floors is about 2,003,405 naira. This is the estimate cost here. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is estimate cost of block work. Okay, you can see the materials here, everything to get 9,200 pieces of 9 inches stone dust by brick block, and so on and so forth. 148 bags of cement, labors, everything. I could total it at the price of 3,067,800 naira. Okay, the next one is estimate cost of lintel level. Now we are in the lintel level. In this lintel level, you can see so many materials to buy here, so many things. Just look by the left hand side, you will see the price is the materials to buy. Then by the right hand side, you will see all the prices here. I total this at the cost of 720,570 naira. Okay, the next one is the estimate cost of first floor decking stage. Okay, this first floor decking, you can see what we have here. Everything is about 2,887,575 naira. You can see the 104 bags of cement, depending on where you are building, and depending on them what you want to achieve. These are the price, the material by the left hand side, and these are the prices here. Okay, the next one should be estimate cost of staircase. Okay, the staircase, 13 bags of cement, 3 tons sharp sand, granite, concrete, and so on and so forth. Here by the left hand side is the material, by the right hand side the prices. I total this as 342,945. Okay, then estimate cost of roofing duplex stage. Okay, now this is the cost here. You can see all the woods and everything, the inches nail. Total is at 918,300 naira. Okay, then the next one is estimate cost of finishing stage. Okay, this is the finishing stage. This is what to buy, like tile works, ground floor and labor, tile, and so on and so forth, and screeding, labor, and so cement, plastering. Total the amount at 831,005 naira. These are the prices here. Just check out the prices by the left hand side. Then the next one is estimate cost of finishing stage. Okay, now in this finishing stage, you can see the material to buy by the left hand side: wall tiles, ground floor. You can see screening, baking, and so on and so forth. Labors for tiling, sand, screening, and so many things. The paint to buy, the DUPLEX emulsion. You can depend on the paint you want to buy. Labor for paint, everything. Total amount is about 5,334,502. Okay, now this is the grand total of everything. Okay, the total amount for building a duplex is about 27,984,684. You can see how it works here. You can see here. Okay, depending on where you are building and what you want to achieve, it can be more than this at the same time. Yes, it can be more than this at the same time. It can be lesser than this, depending on the contractor and someone who is building it for you. I believe that what I share here will help you, give you the insight. We also help you to take a bold step and know what you want to achieve. Okay, thank you as you listen.
Click on the subscribe.
I believe you have learned so much in this video. If you want us to build your house for you, just give us a call. Our number is on the screen right now. In fact, we built for so many clients all over the country, from the east to the west to the south and north. So if you have any project for us in Nigeria, give us a call. Our number is right here on the screen. Give us a call and tell us what you want. Is it bungalow? Is it duplex? Just name any type of house that you need in Nigeria. We give you the best. We give you a affordable cost that after finishing it, you know that this is the right house to have. Thank you for watching and see you other time. Simtech Properties. We love you all.